This is John Cherry from IT Class 105 and IT 205, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the hard drive from a 15 gig to an 80 gig. And also I'm going to show you how to upgrade your RAM from 128 to 512 using another 128 and a 256. So we'll start here in just a second.
Look around you, look up here. Take time to make time to be there. Look around, be a part. Feel for the winter but don't have a cold heart. And I love you best. You're not like the rest. You're there when I need you. You're there when I need. I'm gonna need you. A long time ago I had a lady to love. She made me think of things I never thought of. Now she's gone and I'm on my own, but a love song has come into my mind. A love song that was there all the time. So lady, let me take a look at you now. You're there on the dance floor, making me want you somehow. Oh lady, I think it's only fair I should say to you, don't be thinking that I don't want you, 'cause maybe I do. Look around, come to me. I have no answers, but know where I wanna be. I look around, play a part. I was born in the winter and cooled by a warm heart. And I love you best. You're not like the rest. You're there when I need you. You're there when I need. I'm gonna need you. So lady, let me take a look at you